So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to step into the future of technology and innovation? Flipkart, one of the India's top e-commerce companies, is back with the Runway Season 5, an incredible opportunity designed exclusively for female engineers looking to shape the future of tech. So if you are passionate about coding, problem solving, and want to work with some of the brightest minds in the industry, then this is program for you. And today we are diving into everything you need to know about the Flipkart Runway Season 5, from how to register and the selection process looks like to the amazing rewards and internship opportunity of the grads. So stick around till the end to discover how you can secure your place in this transformative journey. So, Flipkart Runway is Flipkart earlier career program for women engineers, and it's back with its fifth season. This theme of this year is her today. Her today basically means the today for the women engineers. So it's for 26 and 27 pass out female engineers. If you are someone who want to focus on becoming tomorrow's tech leaders, so this is program for you. And Flipkart is committed to create a culture of innovation and inclusion. And this program is designed to offer you a fast track career journey. So eligibility criteria for this role is going to be like if you are a female engineering student with currently enrolled in a second year program, like you are supposed to graduate by 2027. So or in your third year of dual degree, if you are from a dual degree, then you should be in third year, like if you have done polytechnic or something like that. So but the pass out year of graduations would be 2027. So the if you are comes under this criteria, then this program is perfect for you. And don't worry if you are not from a computer science background, as long as you have basic programming experience in language like C++, Java, Python, or JavaScript, you are good to go. So the selection process is going to be like four steps, as you can see on the screen also. There will be like step one is registration on Unstop, and then you will have online MCQ assessment. It's mentioned over here, and after that you will have online coding assessment where you can showcase your coding skills with 2 3 machine learning and other programming questions. So step four is going to be a for interview round where you will be asked with technical questions, or even you might have been given some programming question to solve as well. So the that's it, and make sure to mark your calendar on the dates mentioned over here, so that you don't miss these updates. Which is, you can see March 21st it is online MCQ, and March 23 as you can see is online coding round, and simultaneously the March 25th is going to be your interview round. So this is all about the exclusive pre-placement interview that you would be getting after you get summer internship with Flipkart in 2025. So if you are having this internship, if you are qualified for this internship, you will get a PPI opportunity for an internship in 2026. So plus there is one more thing: the top 500 cohort will receive access to interviewing skills workshop, networking events, resume building sessions, and much more. So uh, Flipkart Runway Season 5 is more than just an internship program. It's your chance to empower your career and get hands-on, experience at one of the India's most innovative company. So whether you are passionate about coding, problem solving, or tech innovations, Flipkart Runway offers you an amazing platform to showcase your skills and grow. So that's it. And if you are excited and ready to take the first step towards your dream internship, so don't wait too long, as registrations are open now to Unstop. On Unstop is the platform who is conducting everything. So get started today, and who knows, you could be the next rising star in the tech with Flipkart. So that, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. And feel free to drop your questions in the comment below. I would be happy to help. And best of luck, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to register on Unstop, because this is going to be an incredible opportunity for all the graduate. And at last, I want to let it's just for the female candidates who are passing out in 2027. Don't miss out. Thank you. All the best.